everybody? Welcome to my garage. Hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all crushing life. In this video today, we are either gonna crush life mega or we're gonna get mega crushed. And it all starts right now with, will the Hellcat even turned on? Because yes, those were the Hellcat wheels, and yes, we're putting them on today, assuming they fit. Now the first challenge is, will it start? We all know the answer, it won't. It's dead, we knew that. So that's not a surprise. Whoo-wee, that's a big girl. Oh, if she doesn't start, we're in trouble. Oh, yes, baby, we're good. Relief. We're gonna need to keep this in the car though, just in case. Because it's been so long since we started it, it is super low right now and the tanks are low on air, so we can't actually drive it out of the garage. And baby B is asleep, like right there. But I've heard sources say that every time I start one of my cars up, baby B gets a smile on his face, even when he's asleep. That's what I'm talking about. Big day, big day. We are not messing this up. Also, it's kind of weird having a mostly empty garage. I don't know. Oh, there he is. Hey, the man. Okay, we have a lot to say about this guy, but first off, we'll save that for later. First off, congrats on the new ride.
Thanks.
That thing is sick.
I appreciate it.
You got plans for it. We're not going to divulge those plans right now. Instagram, Snapchat, social media, Google Casey's the man, and you will find him, you'll find his car. Now Casey's gonna take the truck with the wheels. We're gonna jump in the Hellcat because I promised y'all massive burnouts from this guy, and we're going to do them right now. Now we've been doing all these test drive videos, obviously driving all these other really cool cars, and in that time I have not driven the Hellcat once. I love this car. This car is like top notch. It's so good. Nothing I drove was quite like the Hellcat. Nothing. This is a one-of-a-kind, truly, especially with the offset. It's really one of a kind. It's not super desirable the way it is. Anyways, I've rambled enough about the offset. The offset is going away today, assuming again that we think the wheels will fit. We're pretty confident, but we don't actually know with 100% certainty. We have two goals. One is to shred the rubber. Casey's an expert at that, no doubt. Two, not break the wide body by tearing the rubber into.
Get back to the shop to put the wheels on.
Right, and the nice thing about Casey doing it is he's the one that will probably fix it. Now, one caveat: because the Hellcat was like turned off and dead for so long, some of the driver control computer module settings, they're not really working. We don't know what the car is going to let him do. He's a pro, but we'll see.
Let you get too wild. But.
No, the computer's messed up. Seriously, the backup camera doesn't even work right now. I think it's just because it was so dead and sat for so long. It needs we'll get that fixed. Oh, that was epic.
And it's still smoking.
Dude, that was better than I've ever done in my entire career. That was incredible.
A little smoking here, sorry.
Enjoy it. Enjoy it. You've earned it.
We don't have much tread left.
Not much. That is sticky. That was perfection. We are going to take it to the shop, put on the wheels?
Yeah.
They're going to fit, right?
Yeah.
Seriously, that was so cool. We got to go though. We gotta go. I'm gonna take the truck. Yeah. I think we got some cords. Where's he at? Where's he at? I think we got some cords.
I was like, what is that noise? There's a little piece of the tire.
Yeah.
That's just like hitting a little
bit. You got a cord?
Yeah, I was like, better check it before we go any further. But
I've driven many miles with the cords flapping, so
should be good.
I got your back. I
appreciate it.
All right. Let's acknowledge the cord here. This is when you know you nailed it, like exactly. Casey did the perfect amount of burnouts there. Any further, massive
Catastrophe.
that. I mean, that offset is just beautiful, right? It's just how it should be. This is the last sight of that you should ever have to see on this channel, ever, hopefully. Did you invite him? You did?
Yeah, we got Grandpa in here. Come on.
I didn't. Bro. How are those shades, bro?
Welcome back to 1974.
There we go. What do you think about a matching pink Hellcat?
Yes. Yes.
Yes?
That's the best idea you've ever had.
Yes? Well,
Yeah.
I think
Where
the
are
wheels.
Wait, I thought you said they had wheels.
We're right. That's
You're still working on it? Yeah, we have.
bro. Casey did the sickest burnout we've ever seen on the channel.
It doesn't say much. I mean,
Yeah.
considering.
This just, I mean, there we go.
Thank you.
Yes.
Note to self: never let Casey Draper drive your car. That's good to know.
Let me.
No, definitely not. Are you kidding
Yeah.
me? Last person.
Bam. Record. All time. Dude, look at that. That is smooth.
Wow. Well,
Look how
We still had some.
look how skinny that is, though. That is such a skinny.
That's the
skinny
rear
tire.
factory?
That's the rear factory. Now, I didn't buy the wide body factory vehicle, right? The wide body Hellcats from factory
course,
have a
naturally.
wider tire, but they're not as wide as the new tire I got, which I still haven't shown people the wheels.
Wait, they haven't seen those?
No, they haven't
Yes,
seen.
They can see them right behind you right now.
Can they see them right now?
No, they just see
It's up my nose.
Yeah, they see it through your nose.
This is the width of the. I mean, that is 345s. A little compared. Look at that. That's called power and girth.
Big
right
tires
there.
save lives, baby.
Big tires
Big
save
tires
lives.
save
You
lives.
heard it right there, folks. These are wheels that go against the style of wheels. I didn't like these styles of wheels for a long, long time.
What are you
And here
talking about?
Here
when
I
you were in
bought
high school, these are the coolest wheels in the world.
in high school, and we're gabbing away. Casey just threw it on right there. This is the wheel. This is the wheel. Can you see it? Can you guys see it right now? Can you see the wheel? This has been such
Get
an
excited.
endeavor. I'm excited. I just don't even know how to like.
Are you crying?
They're
This
wheels.
guy's emotional. He's been waiting for so long. He was just telling me about the utilization rate.
Yeah.
He's an accountant. He truly is an accountant. Utilization rate's going up.
It's
These wheels
going
are
up,
sick.
baby.
No, respect. I
Thank
love
you.
him. I love him. Well
We
done.
got to sign off. Casey approves. We wouldn't actually got him if Casey and James wouldn't have approved. 5-spoke chrome, bringing chrome back like it never went out of style. This thing is going to be popping on the road. There's no question. I mean, compare that to the front wheel there. Like that's just bleh. This right here. James is checking out his beard.
Dude, beard's
Look
coming
at
in
that.
nicely. I got the double
Look
chin,
at
but like.
that. Put the shades on. Where are the shades? Here we go. Oh, okay, let's get the shot. Let's get the shot. Oh yeah, you look. Yeah, that's the money shot right there. Casey's buff. He doesn't mess around. Throwing the other front set of the wheels. We've done nothing to help the guy. That's the type of guy he is.
We've provided motivation
Have we?
and encouragement.
Oh,
Absolutely. Yeah, Casey,
Oh.
yeah, no.
Yeah.
is
Yeah,
that
we provided him a pat on the back.
okay?
There we go.
Okay.
This guy is no joke, though. He truly is the best. He's
Yeah.
so efficient and so fast.
Yo, look at that. Ooh.
That's sick.
That's cool.
That's sick.
Hey,
Getting
side
hyped.
note.
Yes.
You want to buy some stock Hellcat wheels? Put Hellcat wheels on.
Cheaper Guinea.
There we
Yes.
go. You probably
Yes.
need these. You need these.
These pants are half clean. I don't want to get them fully dirty.
That's not why. It's because he doesn't know how to do it.
You lift and you insert.
But he has nice pants. This
Yeah.
is what his life has come to.
Is the fitment spot on? This is like the complicated part, to measure the wheels and the tires and the sizes, make sure the air ride fits in the wide body kit and everything. You can lower the car. I mean, it's complicated. It's science, it's math, it's economics, it's the whole 9 yards.
Casey solved it in like 30 seconds.
Well, yeah,
What are you
but
talking about?
it's complicated.
For people like us,
Right.
if you
Like-
know what you're doing, it's not complicated.
The width of the wide body kit, the
Okay,
width of
here
the
we go,
car,
here we go, yes.
the stock wheel size.
Yep.
You don't know what wheel size to get for the new thing, so you got to measure it.
Right.
So you got to measure depth, you got to measure height, you got to measure clearance of the wide body kit, the air ride kit, because it's not just one, like where it goes up and down. So you need different width there, and you want it to be a tight fitment, but you don't want it to be too wide, otherwise it doesn't fit.
So when you're at work and you're a corporate managing director and you're explaining
here we
accounting to your employees, is this how you do it?
You make it sound as complicated as possible,
Right.
and then they either just say you're an idiot and they move on, or they're impressed. One or the other. Either way, you don't know.
Definitely not impressed.
They're impressed.
Maybe just one.
No,
please.
No, $3,000, Casey, for these tires. This rubber, $3,000. In fact, I may never drive it because I can't afford new tires. Can I make one small comment too? Even though I've never driven it, it's registered. It's legal.
That never happened. You're never
I know.
registered. You're never legal.
I know.
You haven't driven this car. What?
Yeah, and I'm
Are
on.
your other cars registered?
I'm a new man.
No, you're not.
I have a wide
No,
body
you're not.
Hellcat.
Somebody did this for you. Who registered your car? It wasn't you.
I successfully built, through Casey, a wide body Hellcat. I am a new man.
You're a dad. You're responsible.
I'm a new man.
What's going on?
Illegal. That's all I gotta say.
Who did this?
I actually did it in May, if you recall. There's my temp tag's still on the from May.
See, that makes
Okay.
sense. You're still the
Okay.
same guy.
No, you're doing it, bro.
The tape is so old. The tape's still on your back
It's still
windshield.
well now. See, this is why I didn't want to take it off because now I get tape back there. Woo! It's aired up super high right now, so we're good on clearance, but we don't know if we can turn the wheels yet. We got to dial in that fitment, make sure we can drive it, turn it, lower it, and so forth. Right now, it's just sitting. It's right and high. Well, that looks so much better. Woo! We got a car again, folks. This is cool. This is so cool. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo. Oh, that is nice. It's testing the turn radius now.
The back.
Oh, we got a little bit of rub. A little bit of rub.
Have to trim it a
A smidge. Trim it a smidge, he said. Can I just say something?
Yes, sir.
I think you're an American Muscle guy.
Oh yeah.
This suits you. Sell the Lambo, sell the Ferraris, sell it all. Go muscle car, full send, baby. So because we got a little bit of rub, obviously we're gonna put it back on the lift. We're gonna do some trimming and see if that gives us the clearance we needed. Hopefully we only have to do this once because to go on and off and back, it'll take a minute. All right, we're just doing a little cut, a little trim. That's it. Contrary to popular opinion, wide body kits are actually quite simple to do. I mean, really, the worst thing right now is I'm starving. I'm really hungry. I'm like fatigued. I'm so famished.
Imagine
So
how
hungry.
I feel. You said donuts at 10 a.m. There's no
Yeah.
donuts. Not a donut in sight. I don't see a glazed donut.
I meant spinny donuts. Spinny.
There's no maple bar. There's no chocolate bar.
I could really
Where are the
use,
donuts at?
I could use a donut. I could use a burger. I
That's
could
what
use
I'm
a
hearing.
pizza. I could use a lot of things right now. But wide body kit, it's like building itself. It's so easy. So easy.
So easy.
So easy.
So easy. What a
Should we go
time.
get some in and out?
Yes. Yes.
Let's go.
Yes. Is that where we're going? Are we actually going there?
I think Casey will be fine. Let's just.
Okay.
Okay. Take two. All right. Checking the turning radius here. Oh, he's cutting on the fly, baby. Are you ready?
Yeah, are you ready?
This is it. Make it happen. Oh, look at that. Oh, pop it up just like that. 1, 2, 3, and smooth as butter. Easy. It's all done.
Easy peasy.
It's done. Casey, I mean, we're linking everything below. We also got to link 8080 because they're letting us use their shop. So if you need a shirt, if you need some merch, if you need anything, if you want to win a car, right? McLaren, Lamborghini over there, they got new stuff. 8080 below. But again, Casey is the man, man of all men.
Yes.
The man.
He is a man amongst boys.
His Instagram, send him some love, tell him great job, tell him thank you.
Butter
He did the
job.
wide body build.
Yeah.
This was all
Give
him.
this man a gold star.
Like gold star. Hit him up, send him a DM, comment on his post,
Whoa.
Snapchat,
The whole nine, apparently.
the whole night. Send him an email, snail mail. We'll put his address below as well.
Let me get his phone
Send
number
him a
real
note.
quick.
Phone
Casey's
number.
phone number is
Text him.
747-974.
Casey's the man. We're gonna see the Hellcat on the road. Next to one of the 7 wonders of the world. Not the car, him. Yep. Oh, looking so good, we missed it. What a pair, what a combo. Woo-wee. That's mine, baby. Yo, that looks so good now on the road. Oh my gosh. Come on, get the shot, get the shot. That's got such a proper stance now. That is, oh my gosh, that looks even better than I thought it would. That's sick. Woo, yes. Yes, baby. Casey, you nailed it. That thing looks so good on the road. I don't even know.
You picked the right wheels for this thing. That looks good.
That was a group effort, I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, I think we nailed it. I think they look good. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
You gotta go grocery shopping. All right, time for my turn in the Hellcat Widebody. I love the fact that I now have a vehicle I can drive. You all are literally the best for hanging in there with me while we finish this wide body build. The world's longest build time for a wide body Hellcat. I don't know if that's true or not, but it probably is. It's gotta be. Yes. But yes, thanks for sticking with me. It took so long. I appreciate the patience from everybody. We got it done. Now we're gonna still do a few things to it. We're not gonna focus on next. We're focusing on this game, but this is one of the best combos.
I killed 2-car combo right here, baby.
I think I killed the Hellcat because it was dead for so long. I can't get the controls to it won't sit at the predetermined temperature. See how it bumps up like that? These buttons don't change anything. It just goes up or down. The reverse camera doesn't work because it sat for so long. I'm assuming that I killed it. We had a thought, folks. We had a thought as we were eating lunch. We were eating lunch.
Let's make it very
Bozozuko?
Bozozoku.
That one.
I can't say it now.
With my video gets 10 likes, I'll do it, and James will do it.
No.
20?
Nope.
I only get 30 likes.
Yeah, you're gonna have to do a lot more than that.
35 likes. We'll both do it. Bozozuko. Thank you for the support. Thank you for hanging out. Appreciate it. I gotta go to the dry cleaner. Enjoy the drive.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
And because we've been putting the miles on, starts up without jump start. That's nice. Feels so good to have it done, baby. Oh yeah. It's nasty. It's nasty.